hello. Hi, good evening.
Good
Yes.
evening.
Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes, I can see and hear you
Yes,
clearly. Thank
that's
you.
great. Welcome to my class. By the way, my name is Eric and you are
Tomomi.
Tomomi. Nice to meet you
Nice to
today.
meet you, Eric.
How are you?
I'm so irritated today.
Why?
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 Because of job. I was office worker
Okay.
and I was transferred this department
You were
this
transferred.
April. Yes, it's not happy transfer actually.
Okay.
Anyway, today I have something new things I have to done, but
Hmm.
I'm not good at using Excel. Have you
Excel.
ever Excel?
Yeah.
Have you ever heard system of data writer? It's a
Hmm.
little bit complicated,
Complicated.
and
Okay.
yeah, my boss offered. My boss gave me a task in Monday, and deadline Monday
Deadline
this
is
Monday.
Monday. Oh.
No, deadline task. He gave me a task on Monday, and
Monday.
he said deadline was tomorrow. And
Tomorrow.
yeah, I think it is still short time for me because it's a
Huh?
new job. I don't have never done it. Just there is a manual, but
Hmm. There's a
I'm
manual.
not sure I can do it. Just only one manual. And yesterday, I didn't have a time to start this one.
Oh.
And today, this morning, I had a urgent call from oh, sorry, urgent call from my factory and colleagues. So
Hmm.
I have stuck about maybe until say 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
I had a meeting all
Hmm.
day,
Hmm.
and then tomorrow is deadline. So I should start it right now, but I couldn't still find out the time to start. Then
Oh.
5 o'clock, I finally get started, but it was first time as I said, I didn't get it. I didn't get it. So nothing. I couldn't
Very
do it.
challenging. That's why you are
Yeah, so I'm so
irritated.
irritated.
I can,
And yeah,
I
thank you
can
for
sense. Yeah.
hearing me. Even just
Sorry
I
to
just
hear
start
that.
speaking.
Yeah, sorry to hear that.
And
Okay.
I'm ashamed myself
Uh-huh.
because today I usually behave nicely and
So nice. No,
kindly,
no problem.
kindly. But but today I was so angry, so irritated by myself.
I
I left
understand you.
home.
I
I
understand.
left home without nothing. Usually I said I will go home now. Goodbye, see you tomorrow. So
Okay.
bye bye guys. But today nothing, just silence. But
Ah.
instead of this, even though I just panned and I la- I loudly I loudly closed the door with
Okay.
very big noise. Also,
Mm.
I had my company this new position gave me a smartphone
Oh,
for calling
really?
smartphone, but I I couldn't stop my feeling, so
Mm.
I just throw away throw away the smartphone in my desk.
Yes, yes, yeah.
So I just wonder. Oh, I was so childish. I'm so childish my behavior. So I'm regret
Yeah.
about my behavior. And one
Good,
concern
that's
is
good, that's good.
if my smartphone if is break, wow, I should be punished. Wow, just wow.
Okay, but it's
This
not,
is
it's
my
not.
day.
Okay,
This is
okay.
my day.
Yeah, very challenging, very
Yeah.
tough
Thank you
days.
for
Yeah.
hearing.
Yeah.
I have a question.
Oh yeah.
Do you sometimes feel like me?
Yeah, of
No,
course. I felt the
but
same. Yeah, when I
you
was
feel.
working in the
Mm,
company before, yes.
mm.
Yeah, I
So in that
experienced that.
case, do you are you do what do you do?
Of course, well, normally we will feel like irritated or disappointed, but
Mm,
just take it as a challenge. Just take it as a
Just
challenge.
accept that
Yes,
challenge.
it's an
Ah,
when when there is a difficulty like that, it is
mm,
also an opportunity for you to
mm,
learn, like to
yeah.
learn Excel. It will be a new
Mm,
skills for you. So once
mm-hmm,
you learn Excel, there will be an
mm.
additional skills for you.
Ah,
Okay, so take it as a
thank you.
challenge. Take it as a challenge.
Okay.
Yes. All right.
And tomorrow I have to report my boss. Oh, sorry, I
Mm,
can't. I couldn't finish it.
yeah. Yeah, it's okay.
Well,
Just be honest and don't be afraid.
mm,
Even though he will tell you something not good to hear, just accept it.
mm,
Just accept it.
yes, okay.
Just
Thank you.
yeah.
I feel better now.
Yeah, that's great. All right, shall we start with our lesson?
Yes,
Okay,
please.
all right. So I can see here it shows Grammar Advanced 6. Is that right?
Mm, yes, it's right.
Okay, so today's lesson is number 6, and the title
Mm-hmm.
is Train Manners.
Mm,
Okay, so we will study phrasal verbs.
mm,
Okay, so in this lesson we have, we will learn phrasal verbs. And can you read out the words for me, the phrasal verbs, please?
yes. Get up, get off, put on, give up.
Okay, so
Okay, so
can you try to make to use this in sentences just by your own, okay? Not with
okay,
the sample. Just
okay,
yeah.
okay. I get on. I get on this train on time.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's right. Very good.
And get off. Let's get off next station.
Mm,
Let's
yes,
get
yes,
off
yeah.
at the next station. Put on. What's the meaning?
Put
Put on.
on.
Put on. Put on. So if put on means, can I see the hint? Put on
Sure,
is
sure.
to place one object on another. To
Mm,
place one object on another.
on
Put
another.
on.
Mm.
Okay. I'd like you to put on the fresh cream.
Oh.
No. I'd like you to put the fresh cream on my pancake.
Okay, good. Yes, how about give up?
Okay. I give up today. Gave up today's task, today's work because I couldn't I couldn't understand how to use fertilizer.
All right. So with those sentences that you made, it means you understand these phrasal
Mm.
verbs, right? That's how
Yes.
you understand the phrasal verbs. Okay,
Mm.
very good. Now,
Thank you.
please read the meaning
Mm.
below of these phrasal
Yeah.
verbs.
Yes.
All right.
Get on. To step on the bus, train, ship, etc. Get off to leave a means of transportation such as bus or train.
Mm-hmm.
Put on. To place one object on another.
That's right.
Ooh. Give up. To stop trying to do something for some reason. Just happened to
Yes.
me.
Yes, to
Hey.
happen. But well, yeah, don't
Mm.
give up, okay? Don't give up.
Okay. Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you.
All right, so
Mm.
let's have words and expressions. Please check the
Mm.
directions here.
Yes. と、あれ incense? Which one?
The directions.
Direction. Learn and repeat after Eric.
All right, let's start with the first word. Please listen and repeat after the audio, okay?
Yes.
All right, here we go.
Insane.
Insane.
Insane, yes, it means
Insane.
very foolish or unreasonable. So, but
My
yeah.
today's behavior is really insane. I'm so embarrassed now.
It's okay, it's okay. All
Mm.
right, please read the sample sentence.
Yes. There was an insane train video I watched on YouTube.
Okay,
Oh.
let's have the next word.
Mm.
Okay, please listen and repeat.
Etiquette.
Etiquette.
All right. Etiquette, the rules indicating the proper and polite way to behave.
Wow, it's also how can I say? In Japan, if some if in Japan we say my ear is 痛い ache
Aching,
because
yeah, right,
aching.
yes.
Do you have an English expression like this? Because it's
Mm.
told me today's my behavior was too
Ah,
bad
yes,
for
yes, yes,
adult,
yes, 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 yes.
for office worker. Wow. Okay.
Okay, please read the sample sentence.
Yes, they are more likely etiquette.
And let's
Mm,
have the next.
mm.
lap,
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 lap.
lap.
The area between the knees and
Ah,
the hips of a person who is sitting down. So sitting at my
uh-huh.
lap, something like that. Okay,
Yes.
please read the sentence.
Okay. I've seen people putting their backs on their laps. Mm,
Let's have the next.
mm.
cramped,
Clamped.
All right, not having enough space inside. Please read the sentence.
Mm. The train looked so clamped though.
And the next.
elder,
Elder.
Elder, greater age, or we say older. Okay, please read the
Mm.
sentence.
Yes, you should also give up your seat for elders.
And the last one.
feast,
Feast.
Okay, it's a special meal with large amounts of food and drink. Please read the last sentence.
Yes, we are definitely enjoying the feast you made tonight.
Oh, okay, so we're done with words and phrases or expressions. Is there any questions so far?
No question.
Yeah, all
Okay?
right. Okay, so now let's move on to short conversation. Please read the directions
Yes,
here.
yes. えっと、
hmm Hello.
direction.
There was a delay
Emily
there.
was invited. Oh, yeah, some delay. Okay?
Yes. Okay. All right. So we will do a role play here, but first let's listen to the audio of the conversation, okay?
Okay.
All right. There we go.
Emily was invited to the small family gathering at Layla's parents' house.
When I think of Japan, the insane train video I watched on YouTube comes to my mind. Is it true that there are so many rules that you have to follow for the train ride?
I can't think of so many rules, but there are certainly a few manners to keep, or they are more likely etiquette.
Tell me about them, because I'm eager to know.
Okay. First, when you get on a train, you have to let people who are getting off a train go first. Second, you have to hold your luggage somewhere in front of you.
Yeah, I've seen people putting their bags on their laps in the video. The train looked so cramped, though. Especially the crowds during rush hour seemed insane.
Yeah, so true. Women sometimes get molested in a crowded train. Poor thing. Anyway, back to the story. You should also give up your seat for elders and set your cell phone to silent mode and refrain from talking on a train.
That's so Japan. Very polite and full of hospitality.
I guess so, but some of the young generation care less about those manners than other people do.
Hey, are you guys enjoying yourselves?
Yes, ma'am. We are definitely enjoying the feast you made tonight.
Okay. Yes, so this time let's do the role play. All right?
Okay?
Okay, so I'll be Emily, you'll be Ken.
Okay. Okay?
All right, let me first read the situation. Emily was invited to the small family gathering at Layla's parents' house. Okay, let's start. When I think of Japan, the insane train video I watch on YouTube comes to my mind. Is it true that there are so many rules that you have to follow for the train ride?
I can't think of so many rules, but there are certainly a few manners to keep, or they are more likely etiquette.
Tell me about them because I'm eager to know.
Okay. First, when you get on a train, you have to let people who are getting off a train go first. Second, you have to hold your luggage somewhere in front of you.
Yeah, I've seen people putting their bags on their laps in the video. The train looks so cramped though, especially the crowds during rush hour seem insane. Insane.
Yeah, so true. Women sometimes get molested in a crowded train. Let me check the meaning now.
Molested.
Molested.
Yeah, molested.
Molested.
Yeah, it means
Molested.
like sexual thing, something not good for women.
Molested.
Like harassment,
Harassment.
sexual harassment.
Harassment.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Molested. Okay.
Molested. Mm.
Molested in a crowded line. Poor things. Anyway, back to the story. You should also give up your seat for elders and set your cell phone to silent mode and refrain from talking on a train.
That's so Japan. Very polite and full of hospitality. Um,
I guess,
yep, that's your
I
turn.
guess so. But some of the young generation care less about those manners than other people do.
Hey, are you guys enjoying yourselves?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. We are definitely enjoying the feast you made tonight. Okay, so this is extra, Olivia.
Yeah,